Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AI 1 Minute for September 12th, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
Most of the repositories today have been mentioned in our previous videos. There is a new toolbox training on GitHub called Aidea, which is an app containing an interface for a lot of popular large language models, including GPT 3.5 and GPT 4, Llama 2, and many Chinese LLMs such as Qwen. This is a great app and is easy to use.
According to the news today, Coca-cola is releasing a new flavor that is generated by humans and AI together. This will be sold for a limited time only in North America, Europe, Africa, and China. They say that this is their idea of what the future should taste like.
From an update by Unity, they are adding a fee after a game passed a minimum revenue threshold in the past 12 months. After hitting this threshold, developers will be charged $0.2 per install over the threshold. Developers are not happy with the decision and are considering dropping out of Unity.
The University of Alberta, Canada is offering the first certificate and graduate AI course, Artificial Intelligence Everywhere. This is not a technical course, and rather it focuses on giving students a foundational understanding of AI and where it can apply.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.